This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Donna Hardy. Beautifully renovated 4-bed 2-bath pool home in a perfect location. This home has a new custom kitchen with gas cooking, an island that can seat 7 and amp, lots of storage on both sides. Cast iron pipes replaced, electrical replaced, and 5-zone sprinklers and amp, pavered circular driveway added. From the moment you enter this fantastic open and bright home, you will not be disappointed. Impact windows and doors, bathrooms updated with rain showers, pantry added, coffee nook and covered patio are just a few of the many features of this home. No HOA in University Park, which is conveniently located to parks, hwys, walking distance to Town Center Mall and AMP, are rated schools. Fan and blue bedroom does not convey. Owner occupied, appointment required. Seller's disclosure attached under documents. Sold as is. For more information, review the details below or contact Donna Hardy at 561-981-9400.